Hi guys, welcome to another LivinginSAtv video. David here. Today we will talk about the Go Durban project, which is evaluated in 22 billion rand. Stay tuned. So, as you guys are probably aware, Durban is on a quest to become Africa's most livable city, and this intermodal project will upgrade taxi, rail and bus. This project will have 9 different corridors, 190 kilometers of total extension, and it will be divided in 4 stages of construction. Until 2027, the deadline is by 2030 to be completed. So, besides that, it will service a total of 700,000 people. How amazing is that? Let's take a look at the video.
Durban is a city brimming with potential. To ignite this potential, we need an inclusive, evolved public transport system that will ensure a better quality of life for all citizens. By 2030, this multi-phase network will have 9 main routes across eThekwini, all linked by rail, bus, taxi and non-motorized transport. This network was implemented in a phased approach, with the work having commenced first on the C3 route, followed by the C9 route. Let's take a closer look at the C9 route. Go Durban is creating a faster, safer, greener, more efficient and more caring city. By investing in our communities, the new public transport network is boosting employment and driving skills development in a number of sectors, from construction to cycling. Dedicated bus rapid transit lanes help reduce time spent in traffic. This IRPTN includes multiple stations along each route. An increase in activity in and around these stations will also stimulate the economy and local business, thus transforming these areas. In Canubia, there are direct transport routes leading to affordable housing areas. In Phoenix, for example, feeder routes connect outlying areas to main routes. This means improved access to job opportunities around the city. Let's continue our journey along the C3 route from Pinetown to KwaMashu. This route takes us through New Germany and Guadabega. Remember, with Go Durban, there are fewer cars on the road, meaning less congestion. This reduces the negative impact of traffic on the environment. By developing areas around the stations, the result is safer public spaces. These zones also offer Wi-Fi access and dedicated walking and cycling routes. The aim is to create a more relaxed environment for social activities. All these factors work together to make work and leisure opportunities far more accessible. Regent Station in New Germany was the pilot bus station for the Go Durban network. The structure is able to hold 2 full articulated bus loads, that's roughly 240 people. All along the route, commuters enjoy the benefits of a cashless payment system in the form of the Movo card. Live schedule updates mean the luxury of staying informed. Mixed use and transit-orientated development leads to more space for open-air markets. Extended operating hours makes traveling around the city a lot easier. Dedicated security services add to our citizens' peace of mind when traveling at night. Communities between Guadabega and KwaMashu are now connected safely and efficiently through a network of trains, taxis, buses and a non-motorized transport network which caters for walking, running and cycling. At the Bridge City terminal, commuters will be able to seamlessly transfer and switch between transport modes. A dual rail link from the terminals connects communities from Inanda, Ntuzuma and Guamashu with Bridge City's existing rail infrastructure. Thank you for sharing our vision to make Durban Africa's most caring and livable city by 2030. Go Durban. Progress, prosperity, community well-being.
Okay guys, in the second part of the video we will see these developments more into detail, so stay tuned.
The eThekwini municipality is structuring public transport within the city to deliver a sustainable, safe and efficient service. The goal is to improve the quality of life through the use of an integrated rapid public transport network, the IRPTN. From a comprehensive plan undertaken by the municipality, there will be a network of integrated rail and bus routes with dedicated lanes, feeder and complementary facilities. The system will also cater for the needs of the disabled. The IRPTN has 9 corridors that would make up the proposed public transport network. In the first phase, 3 corridors are being implemented. The C9 corridor is approximately 17 kilometers long, starting at Bridge City in Guamashu and traverses areas of Guamashu, Phoenix, Cornubia and Umhlanga to end at the Gateway Shopping Center. The BRT route is to utilize the existing road reserve up to the M41 and then traverse through the proposed Cornubia development to the Gateway precinct. The C9 corridor has been divided into 10 work packages for construction implementation. Work packages 1 and 5 have been constructed. Construction for work package 2A, 2B, 3, 4B, 6A and 6B is imminent, whilst work packages 4A and 7 are being redesigned to suit additional objectives. Work package 2A is for the construction of the C9 corridor from Industrial Park to the Phoenix Highway, Lenham Drive intersection. It entails the construction of roadworks for the triple carriageway, right-of-way and mixed use. The proposed route runs alongside Aberdare Drive and connects to Industrial Park Road. There is a station and feeder facility on the section of the works situated alongside Aberdare Drive. Industrial Park Road will be widened to accommodate the additional mixed-use lanes and the BRT lanes. Industrial Park would connect to Phoenix Highway, which will also be widened to accommodate BRT lanes. Industrial Park Road and Phoenix Highway would be constructed in 2 and 3 phases. Phase 1. Traffic will remain on the existing road while the left carriageway would be constructed. Phase 2. Traffic will be diverted onto the left-hand side carriageway while the right carriageway and right-of-way roads are constructed. Phoenix Highway, Phase 1, widen the existing median to create a temporary lane on the right carriageway. Phase 2, once the right-hand side carriageway has been widened to 3 lanes, the traffic from the existing left-hand side carriageway will be deviated onto the widened right-hand side carriageway. Of the 3 lanes on the right-hand side carriageway, 2 lanes would be used for mixed-use lanes, moving in the peak direction, whilst the other lane would be used for the lower volume of traffic moving in the opposite direction. With the varying morning and afternoon peaks, the 2 lanes reserved for peak movement would be changed accordingly. The existing left-hand side carriageway would then be excavated to construct the mixed-use lanes and BRT lane. Phase 3. On completion of construction of the left-hand side carriageway, mixed use and BRT lanes, traffic would be moved from the existing carriageway to the newly constructed left-hand side carriageway. The traffic accommodation on the left-hand side would replicate the configuration used on the right-hand side carriageway. On completion of the right-hand side carriageway, traffic would then be split up accordingly for use of both the left-hand side and the right-hand side carriageways. The BRT lanes thereafter would be dedicated for use by Go Durban buses only. Work Package 2A will have a station at the Phoenix Highway and Industrial Park Drive. Work Package 2A is anticipated to commence in July 2020. It has a 24-month contract duration and should be completed by June 2022. Work Package 2B involves the construction of Phoenix Highway from Lenham to Hannaford Drive. The highway is being realigned and reconstructed to a triple carriageway. The triple carriageway will comprise of the following: a dual carriageway for mixed-use vehicles with a minimum of 2 lanes, a dual carriageway for the right-of-way for the bus lanes with 1 lane in each direction, a raised median between the right-of-way and mixed-use carriageway, a median between the right-of-way lanes, and auxiliary turning lanes at the intersections. There are 2 BRT stations along the section of Phoenix Highway, station number 3 at Lenham Drive intersection and station number 4 at the Parthenon Street intersection. The construction sequence will be as per that of Work Package 2A. Work Package 2B will commence in August 2019. It has a 24-month contract duration and should be completed by July 2021. Work Package 3 involves the reconstruction of Phoenix Highway, Hannaford Drive to the R102 intersection. Also included in these works are the realignment and reconstruction of a portion of the following intersecting roads: Hannaford Drive, Stanmore Drive, Longbury Drive, Grove End Drive, and Eastbury Drive. Phoenix Highway is being realigned and reconstructed to a triple carriageway. 4 bridges will carry traffic on Phoenix Highway over the railway, namely Bridge A, which carries mixed-use traffic from Phoenix to M41 eastbound, Bridge B, which carries mixed-use traffic from Phoenix to Cornubia eastbound, Bridge C, which carries right-of-way and mixed-use traffic from M41 to Phoenix westbound, Bridge D, which carries mixed-use traffic from R102 to Phoenix westbound. There are 2 stations in Work Package 3, which are Station number 5 at the Stanmore Drive intersection, Station number 6 at the Grove End Drive intersection. Sidewalks will be 2.5 meters wide. A temporary lane will be constructed on the left of the existing right-hand side carriageway. The existing median will be hardened to a width of 7 meters to allow for 2 lanes of traffic from the existing right-hand side carriageway to the left-hand side carriageway. Between Hannaford Drive, there will be isolated areas where some temporary widening would be required to the right of the existing right-hand side carriageway. The purpose of the widening is to create 3 lanes of traffic on the right-hand side carriageway. The construction sequence would be similar to that of Work Package 2A and 2B. Work Package 3 is anticipated to commence in January 2020. It has a 30-month contract duration and should be complete by June 2022. Work Package 4A. It entails the construction of the R102 Phoenix Highway Interchange. The current configuration is that the R102 and Phoenix Highways operate as a signalized intersection, with the realignment and increase in the number of lanes on the R102 highway, as well as the introduction of the BRT lanes on Phoenix Highway. The KZN Department of Transport preferred to grade the R102 highway from Phoenix Highway by way of a bridge. On and off ramps would be used to link the Phoenix Highway to the R102 highway. The works involve the construction of an 8-lane bridge for the R102 over the Phoenix Highway. There would also be the construction of 4 ramps, A, B, C, and D, to connect Phoenix Highway to the R102 highway. Phoenix Highway would be widened to allow for the 2 BRT lanes, as well as for the ramps to the R102 and the M41 highway. Temporary lanes would be constructed to serve as detours to facilitate the construction of the interchange. Work Package 4B entails the construction of the partial clover interchange on the M41 and Phoenix highways. The existing structure of the M41 overpass would be widened to allow traffic moving to and from Cornubia Boulevard. 4 new ramps, F, G, H, and J, would be constructed to link the M41, Cornubia, and Phoenix. 2 pedestrian bridges would be constructed to allow for safe pedestrian movement. An elaborate construction plan has been detailed to allow for the works to be constructed yet mitigate traffic delays due to the construction. The existing number of lanes would remain during construction so as to maintain vehicular capacity, although some temporary realignments would be required.
Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I'm really excited also about this mega mobility project. Anyway, subscribe, like, share, and see you in the next LivinginSAtv video.